Hello everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest Bitcoin news and price predictions. Is the Bitcoin bottom in? Top Analyst predicts next BTC price targets following the FTX debacle. The entire crypto market hit sluggishness, including Bitcoin. Everyone has one question: is the Bitcoin bottom in? One of the top analysts of the crypto market has predicted that Bitcoin will hit 18K to 19K before another leg down. However, Bitcoin going anything above this is still very unpredictable and remains a suspense. Will Bitcoin price breach $18,000? The market still seems to be bearish, and the bears should step in to see this kind of high. After hitting this level, Bitcoin will come down again to a lower low. The other possible scenario is that it will not hit a lower low. Instead, it will hit a higher low, if the market is more bearish. There is an expectation of Ethereum hitting a lower low. If Bitcoin takes the higher low, then Ethereum will have to go to a lower low for taking these lows. Bitcoin has already taken its liquidity from the lows. It is anticipated to go above Ethereum. Ethereum, along with other altcoins, will hit a low, and then Bitcoin will start showing strength against them, ultimately breaking out. Invalidation level is clearly starting at 16K, thus, the validation level according to the analyst should definitely be somewhere around 18K to 19K. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. So, is the bear market in crypto finally over? The bear market was predicted to end by 2022, as we enter the new year. However, it is still very prominent in the crypto market. The dust from FTX debacle has settled, but the market is yet far from entering the bullish momentum. A bear market occurs when the market experiences a long-term decline in prices. It typically describes a situation where security prices fall 20% or more from recent highs amid widespread pessimism and negative investor sentiment. Bear markets are often associated with declines in the overall market or an index such as the S&P 500, but individual securities or commodities can also be considered a bear market if they experience declines of 20% or more over a long period of time, usually 2 months or more. This market can also accompany a general economic downturn, such as a recession. It can be contrasted with rising bull markets. Stay away from everything but Bitcoin and Ether, the wolf of Wall Street. BTC and ETH are the only crypto assets investors should deal with right now, Belfort said. Jordan Belfort, the infamous stockbroker whose story inspired Martin Scorsese's film, The Wolf of Wall Street, thinks the only two cryptocurrencies investors should deal with at the moment are Bitcoin and Ether. He cautioned people should invest only a small amount of their total portfolio in crypto due to the volatility and risks in the field. Don't disregard Bitcoin. Belfort uploaded a video called My Current Crypto Update to give his 2 cents on hot topics, such as the FTX fiasco and whether now is the right moment to jump on the ecosystem. He claimed the exchange was a scam and nothing could have protected users against the catastrophe. Despite FTX's meltdown, the Wolf of Wall Street does not think people should disregard Bitcoin and Ether. According to him, the 2 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are the only ones investors should deal with during the ongoing bear market. Outside of those 2 coins, I literally would not be touching crypto right now with a 10-foot pole, he stated. Going back to Bitcoin, Belfort said he hasn't sold any of his holdings and has even purchased more. He thinks that such investment could turn profitable in the next 5 to 10 years. I haven't sold even one, and I'm buying more. That's not to say that I don't think it's going low, because I do think it's probably going to go a bit lower in the short term. But I believe in the long term that if you hold these coins 5 or 10 years, I believe those two have an excellent shot of being substantially higher than what they are today. He recommended investors allocate a very small proportion of their entire portfolio when buying BTC and ETH. The best investment tools are the S&P 500, or ETFs, he concluded. Belfort's U-turn. The Wolf of Wall Street was not a big fan of Bitcoin a few years ago, claiming in 2018 that it is based on the Great Fool's Theory and is going away. However, he changed his view in 2021, noting BTC's advancement during the COVID-19 crisis. Belfort outlined its fixed maximum supply of 21 million coins ever to exist and predicted its price could skyrocket to $100,000 by the end of last year. Despite not hitting the milestone, Belfort remained a proponent and kept praising the asset during 2022. He advised investors to view Bitcoin as a long-term investment in July, forecasting that those holding it for over 3 years will most probably make some profits. Based on the monetary value of gold, he believes Bitcoin will ultimately reach price of around $250,000. Yusko said, $5 trillion, the monetary value of gold, roughly equals $250,000 price per Bitcoin. Now, it won't all happen tomorrow, but over time it's going to happen. Calm before the storm? Bitcoin consolidates at $17,000. Bitcoin continues consolidating around $17,000, begging the question if this is the calm before the storm. Bitcoin failed to produce a meaningful breakout throughout the past 24 hours and is now consolidating around the coveted $17,000 level. As it has proven to be the case many times in the past, though, is this the calm before the storm? Bitcoin consolidates around $17,000. The primary cryptocurrency by means of total market capitalization has been unable to escape the range of around $17,000 and is once again found trading at that level. BTC's price managed to increase to around $17,424 yesterday, but the bears were quick to step in and prevent any further gains. They pushed the price to an intraday low of $16,867 on Binance, and it's currently trading a bit higher, as seen in the chart above. Prolonged periods of decreased volatility usually tend to be a precursor of a considerable move, so the question is if the current price action resembles the calm before the storm. Altcoins painted red. Over the past 24 hours, the wide majority of altcoins are painted red, but it's not because Christmas is approaching. Most of them chart decreases anywhere in the range between 2% and 6%, as seen in the heat map below. Steve Wozniak believes in asset-backed crypto, should you? A common critique of crypto is that it is a radically new asset class with no intrinsic value. Unicoin is an asset and equity-backed coin with support from the likes of Steve Wozniak. Proponents believe tokenized assets and asset-backed crypto can be a hedge against market volatility. One of the most common criticisms of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, is that it has no intrinsic value. That doesn't mean to say people don't put value on them, said Andrew Bailey, Governor of the Bank of England, in a press conference last year. Because they can have extrinsic value. But they have no intrinsic value, buy them only if you're prepared to lose all of your money. The last few months of market turmoil have given Bailey's assessment an added prescience. Once valued at roughly $3 trillion in November of 2021, the crypto industry now sits at around $900 billion. A decrease of approximately 70% in just over a year. Ouch. Of course, by definition, fiat currency also has no intrinsic value either. Thanks for watching. See you next video.